Hi, I'm Kristie Sullivan and welcome to Diet Doctor Explores, where we're going to talk about my top 5 recipes for getting started on low carb or keto. Number 5, Tex Mex Casserole. Guys, this one is so easy. It's ground beef, it's some seasonings, it's lots of cheese, 10 minutes to toss it together, put it in the oven for 30 minutes, set the table while it's baking, and dinner is done. This one also makes great leftovers. Number 4, charcuterie. So charcuterie is a fancy way of saying meat and cheese on a board. And you can basically use anything with this. You can use prosciutto, salami, or even some Spanish chorizo on a charcuterie board. Whatever your favorites are, that's what goes on the board. And literally you take it from the refrigerator to the board to dinner. That's how easy it is. Number 3, keto Cobb salad. We have a recipe on Diet Doctor that is absolutely delicious. So imagine a bed of romaine lettuce. We're gonna put chicken, tomato, bacon, avocado, and eggs, and then we're gonna pour freshly made ranch dressing over it. Don't worry, it's super fast, especially if you use rotisserie chicken. It's fantastic. Number 2, keto skillet pizza. You can literally make dinner in 5 minutes. You sprinkle cheese in the skillet, top it with pepperoni, your favorite pizza toppings, and dinner is done. This one is also super tasty, and you will not feel deprived eating this kind of food. Number 1 on my list of the top 5 recipes for getting started on low carb or keto is Jill's cheese crusted omelet. Guys, this is the heartiest omelet you will ever have. It is so delicious. Think of a tender omelet encased in a hard cheese shell. It's absolutely delicious. Even if you think you don't like omelets, you have to try this one. Jill puts mushrooms and onion and spinach and turkey and little cream cheese inside of hers. Now the cream cheese makes it absolutely delicious, but you can use your favorite fillings. I put leftover fajitas inside of mine, leftover steak, peppers and onion. Anything tastes delicious as long as it's cheese crusted. Let's run down those 5 favorites again. The Tex Mex Casserole, simple charcuterie board, the Cobb salad, the easy skillet pizza, Jill's cheese crusted omelet. I hope if you make these that you enjoy them too. You can also do the Diet Doctor Getting Started Challenge that'll give you 2 weeks of meal plans. And if you'd love to learn more about how I follow keto, then join me for 5 weeks of keto with Kristie on Diet Doctor.